Time and cost tracking lets you collect productivity and financial data for work orders. At its most basic level, technicians can log wrench time from the mobile app. They can also add parts costs and other costs. This feature is included in all UpKeep plans. More advanced features are available on the Business Plus plan. With the Advanced Time Tracker, you can add time manually, assign hourly rates, and add time categories based on the type of work being completed. Also, at any point, you can open a detailed view of time tracked. With advanced cost tracking, you can do more than add parts costs. You can add additional costs of any type. For instance, if a labor cost from an outside contractor is needed, you can attach that to the work order. When running reports for a specific time span, you'll see time and cost by work order and in aggregate. These insights will help you understand which assets are utilizing the most resources. To get started with time and cost tracking, create a free UpKeep account today.